everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing emoji eggs. Let's get started. This one's name is Twinkle. Oh, look how adorable this is. I love these little mochi squishies. It's super squishy and stress relieving. I'm going to collect them all. So you can also just collect all of these. There's also a bunch of little games, and this is all of them you can collect. It also comes with some multivitamins to make you healthy. Let's try one. It looks like a little apple. These are really good. I'm gonna have another one. They taste just like apples. Apple gummies. Fruit candy. And there's a lot, so you can eat a lot of them. Let's move on to the next egg. Next we have Neo. Another mochi squishy. These are so adorable. This one's a little rabbit. I love these so much. They're super squishy. They're friends now. Then we have more fruit candy. This is really delicious. One of my best candies. They taste delicious. So here's a little collect them all. There's so many to collect. Let's move on to the next egg. I'm gonna have another gummy. Next we have cupcake. This sounds like a little game. Whoa, would you look at that? This is a really cool game actually. Whoa. I've never seen anything like this. So I think the point of this game is like you rotate this so it can go up and down. And then this is like a little maze. And then you like try to get it out onto the bottom. It's really cool. We have some more multivitamins / apple gummies. And then collect them all. So these little squishies are called Jiggly Pals. And then the little toys are cool toys for cool kids. Next we have Hop. Sounds like another toy. Whoa, this one's so cool. Look. You try to get all the little holes in the flower. These are really cool toys. So you try to complete the flower. Some more gummies. And then collect them all. These toys are really cool. The gummies are delicious. Next we have Magic. Magical. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little dumpling. Look at this. It's like a little, oh my gosh. This is a little dumpling. Ah, this is so cute. Cute. And super stress relieving. You can just squeeze it all. Squish, squish. Some more gummies. Let's move on to the next egg. Next we have Sunshine. Whoa. I love how all of these are like cool little different games. Look at this. It's like you're at a playground and then you're playing. You have to, and the point of this game is to get the ball, this little one, go down and then go down the slide. And then this big one, you try to get on the other side. It's really cool, guys. Then we have Smiley. Smile. Look at this. It's another different game. So you try to get it through here. And then these are like 4 little dividers. I love these games. They're like little cubes, so you can bring them anywhere you go. I love all these gummies. Next is Melody. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at this. It goes up and down. Woo! And then you try to get the little ball through the little obstacle course. These games are amazing and super creative. Did you notice that all these emoji eggs have different emotions? This one's name is Twinkle. Ooh, it's another different game. So, you have to try to get all the rings through the little ring toss. I could do this all day. It's so fun. Ah, gummies. The apple taste is really delicious. Next we have Neo. And this is his emotion. Oh, this little paw print reminds me of dogs. Look how squishy, and it's a multicolor one. So like the front is pink and the back is white. Ooh, little paw print. Choo! This is the collect them all. And then more gummies. Next is Twinkie. More fruit candy. And this is adorable. Look, they're brothers now. Brothers or sisters? Look how cute these are. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. I love these little ones. Last but not least, Smiley. Aw, this is another different game. I love how they're all different because you can never get bored with these. They're all brain games. So you try to get each ball through the ring. It's really fun. Then we have fruit candy and a little collectible sheet. So I hope all of you enjoyed this amazing opening of these amazing toys. I'm going to be playing with these a lot. I'm going to show my friends and they're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. Look at these. Thank you.